Franklin. He says, ooh, there's something else on the floor to get instead. You want it? Yeah, I figured he'd find the real bond. He didn't bring it with him. Well, where is it? Can't fetch it if you don't bring it back. No, that's not fetch if you don't bring it back. All it is chase. You my good boy? Huh? Huh? Can you sit? Yes. I stand up. Watch this. Franklin, come. Sit. Beautiful. Franklin, stay. Okay, come. Isn't that terrific? For 10 weeks? Isn't that terrific? He's a good boy. Yes, he's such a good boy. Franklin? Franklin. Enter the cat. Franklin. Afraid of the cat. Franklin. Sit. Yes, good boy. Okay. Franklin. Stay. Okay, come here. Come on, good boy. Yes, that's my boy. Yes, that's a good baby. And this cat doesn't particularly like him. But he won't hurt her. Huh? Piper. He thinks that's fun. Is that fun? Yep. Oh dear. Well, at least the cats don't have to be afraid of him.